standing inside the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad at the B&O Railroad Museum in downtown Baltimore. This is where commercial railroading got its start in America. The B&O Railroad started in Baltimore. That's what the B stands for. And we go all the way to Ohio. I'm Paul Comfort, and on this episode of Transit Unplugged TV, we're going to take you inside railroading now here in Maryland. We're going to take you and show you the subway system, the commuter train. We're going to take you to the newest commuter train in America, down in around Washington, D.C., being built by the Maryland MTA called the Purple Line. We'll spend time with CEO Holly Arnold, and she's going to ride with us all day and showcase all the things happening in public transit here in Maryland, where I got my start in transit. So it's a great blending of the two stories of public transportation. I actually ended up as a CEO of this agency, MTA. Holly and I used to work together. She's done such a tremendous job as CEO, now entering her 4th year here in the agency. We're going to show you also some of the great food in Lexington Market, the sports stadiums, and how you can ride transit to get there. This is a show you don't want to miss from my hometown, Maryland.